pode passar. Good morning, everyone. My name is Gustavo Miranda, and I will start introducing our team, Brazil Web Desk. I'm the lead developer focused on implement the core features. Our team also includes Lucas Tavares Criscolo, our front-end developer is focused on your user interface and client experience. Matheus Fer is the is background developer who manages the database integration and service and server logic. And finally, Renan Yoshida Valan is our project manager responsible for coordinate the team, track progress, and do the communication between the members. Our project is called Hairstylist Book Web Application, developed specifically for our client Eric Fernandez, a professional barber based in Toronto. Eric currently manages all his appointments manually through direct message, phone calls, which offer leads, scheduling issues, double booking, and time loss organizing appointments. Our solution is a web and mobile platform that allows clients to book, reschedule, or cancel appointments online, while Eric can manage everything through a admin dashboard. The system automatically sends emails, confirmation and reminders. Also make it easy for client and Eric to cancel and reschedule the appointment, helping reduce no-shows and saving time. We also include a portfolio and testimonial sections where Eric can showcase his work and can have a client feedback. Like that, make his work professional, simplify his work, and help with better connection with his client.
Gustavo, you done there?
Yeah, I done. Just forget to ask you to pass the slides.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Mateus?
Yeah, so I'm gonna explain our vision about the project right now. So basically, a problem that a lot of like small businesses they have is that usually they have one person that is responsible to answer all of the calls, create a new booking, update it, cancel it. Sometimes they spend so much time, and also they can have a mistake and have a double booking, or forget to book a client. And also for the stylist, if he or she doesn't have like an updated like database or something that they can check all of the bookings and their schedule, it's gonna be hard to like be efficient. So basically, our project, we're gonna build a booking web application where the stylist and also the clients, they are gonna be able to manage all of the bookings, and in this way they're gonna save a lot of time, increase efficiency. It's gonna improve the customer satisfaction. We can also, when the client is booking, we can also put a portfolio, so it's gonna also increase the value of the company. So basically, this is a business that already exists in the market, but we are gonna try to make a way that is gonna be more affordable for small businesses and work like any other app. And yeah, it's gonna help independent professionals to go through to grow through technology, and also it's gonna increase our experience building everything and also help small businesses. So yeah, I think that's mainly the idea and our vision about this project.
Right, so I'll be talking about our high-level requirements. So the main purpose of this document is to clearly define the main features and boundaries of our system before development begins. So we're going to be describing what the solution must do in a high level, not exactly like in the technical details yet, but just in a high level. So our business context in general is just like it's a online platform, also having the app version, which is going to allow the clients to visit the book to reschedule or cancel appointments. And the other side, the hairstylist, which is Eric, our stakeholders, he's going to be acting like an admin. He can manage his booking, update his service, approve testimonials, and keep a professional portfolio for himself. Like every time he's finished his job, he can take a picture and upload to our application. So we have also some optional features like branding elements, some blog modules, so that the customers can talk to each other, like share some reviews about their appointments and everything. And yeah, our main external entities for this project is that we're gonna have the customers going to be able to book, give feedback about it. We have the hairstylist, which is the admin, who will be able to manage his services and schedules. Now talking about our requirements scope statements. So we have defined some high-level requirements for our projects, and I'll talk about the main ones. So our high priority, we have the online booking system, with the main functionality is to provide a web interface that allows they only show available time slots and allow clients to book, reschedule, cancel appointments. Once a booking is made, the system sends confirmation and reminders emails automatically. So if the guy books an appointment for 3 p.m., like a couple hours before and also 24 hours before, we're gonna be an automatic process. I'll send an email just a reminder for the client. And also in high priority, we have our admin dashboard, which is going to allow our hairstylist to be able to manage their schedule, track client history, handle modifications and cancellations, and also replace the manual process that he would have to be doing through like cell phones, etc. And we have our customer profile system, which on our application, our customers will be able to build in a profile system. This is only a medium priority for our project, but like our clients will have their personal accounts where they can have their they can put like their photos, they can like put like what they like to do. So for example, if the Eric, he's gonna have like a second appointment with the guy, he can save the priority. So if he likes a low fade, he can just save his profile to help the hairstylist and help the client as well. We also have the branding and visual identity for medium priority. So in this part, we're going to be including logos, palettes. We're going to work in the logo for the hairstylist. And we also have the portfolio testimonials, also has a medium priority, which this feature allows the admin to upload photos and complete hairstyles and manage clients' testimonials, and also include constant captures to entire published feedback to respect privacy standards. So whenever he's done his job, he can reuse the image if the client allows, of course, all being legal at that point, and have a portfolio going on. And we also have the blog module. As standards, we put in a low priority with some additional features that allow the hairstylist to share like style tips, news or updates, and even like have some communication with the customers, so they can like their posts and give some reviews. Yeah, that's our high-level requirements.
Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the project plan. Now, the project plan, as you can see there, it runs from September through March, right? So, like the entire scope of the plan. Till now, the only things we have done so far were to define the goals, write our user stories, the project scope itself, and now one thing about this project scope is that it might change, according to the project needs. As we progress with the project, so we might need to add some modifications to the project and along with the deliverables too. So it also depends on sprint 3 and 4. Now, phase 2, design and branding, just like Lucas mentioned a few minutes ago. We're going to create a UI mockup and using Figma and color palette and logo. We have already created a UI mockup, and we have already decided on the color palette and a provisional logo, which we will replace later on. We had to do these to create this provisional logo and to decide on the color palettes and the mock-up for the mobile version, as I think nowadays everyone's got a phone in their pocket, and also everything's mobile first. So we thought about the perspective of having this mobile first approach. So, and also because we needed to create a mock-up, a mobile mock-up. So we're going to start from there. It's a good approach. Everything now is even the web applications, the most modern web application nowadays. They start from the mobile. Even though the most responsive screens, even those ones, they start from the mobile. And so later on, we're gonna apply those same qualities, those same attributes, colors, the logos, and the design to the web application. So from the mobile to the web. Now, phase 3. Lucas and Gustavo are gonna work on the front end development. Meanwhile, me and Mateus, we're going to work on the backend system. We're going to use Python and Django as a good combination to develop this robust backend web application. Gustavo and Lucas are going to use Next.js and React for the front end. For the mobile, I'm pretty sure we're going to use Java, and as many Android devices run on Java. Even though there is Kotlin, I think Java is still a very powerful language. Runs anywhere, anytime. Java, and the backend application. We're gonna develop this booking system using a calendar with attached and connected to the PostgreSQL database. So this way, it's going to help the user, the clients, Eric's clients, the stakeholders' clients, to book their appointments. So then they can easily see when is the best time, the best day for them. Also, we're going to provide a very friendly user interface for Eric, the stakeholder, to log into his account, his admin account, so he can override a booking, erase a booking, or cancel any appointment he's got. And we're also going to use a free API for email notifications, and using we're going to try to use a free API. I'm not sure there will be any free APIs there, but well, if necessary, no problem. It is for the client, so we're going to have to do it. Now, phase 4, testing and development. So the phase 4 is going to be in February and March. There, we're going to conduct some testing. We're going to make sure that everything's well documented. So then, and only then, we can deploy the system on Microsoft Azure, and probably we're going to use Microsoft Azure as it is the most viable one for us. But we might need to switch to AWS. And because I'm more familiar with AWS, but Azure is a very I think Azure will be sufficient for this application. We're also going to use Postman for testing. So also we're going to use GitHub for project management, like setting the milestones and the issues we got to complete for this project to run smoothly. And yeah, I think this is it. Yeah. Any questions?
Okay, thank you, Team 36.
Thank you.